You're driving on a sweltering day. You crank the AC to the maximum setting, and instead of a blast of icy relief, you get warm, muggy air. If your AC system is struggling to keep you cool, the culprit might not be a refrigerant leak. It could be a tiny but crucial component: the expansion valve. Today, we are breaking down the top 4 symptoms of a bad expansion valve so you can diagnose the problem before it ruins your compressor. How it works. Brief context. Before we get to the symptoms, let's quickly cover what this part actually does. The AC expansion valve regulates the flow of liquid refrigerant into the evaporator. By expanding the high-pressure liquid into a low-pressure mist, it creates the cooling effect you feel in the cabin. But when this valve gets clogged, stuck open, or stuck closed, the whole system falls apart. Symptom number 1. Your AC is blowing warm air. This is the most common sign of a failing expansion valve. If the valve gets stuck in the closed position, or if it becomes clogged with debris, it restricts the flow of refrigerant into the evaporator. No refrigerant means no cooling. The air coming out of your vents will feel just as hot as the air outside. Symptom number 2, frost or ice buildup. If the expansion valve gets stuck in the open position, it allows too much refrigerant to flood into the evaporator core. This causes the temperature to drop so low that the moisture in the air instantly freezes. You might actually see a light dusting of frost blowing out of your vents, or ice forming on the AC hoses under the hood. Symptom number 3, inconsistent cooling. Sometimes a failing valve doesn't just stick in one position. It behaves erratically. You might notice that the air is freezing cold for 5 minutes, then suddenly turns warm, and then goes back to cold. This means the valve is failing to properly meter the refrigerant flow based on the system's temperature demands. Finally, symptom number 4. Your AC compressor never shuts off. If the expansion valve is malfunctioning, the compressor has to work overtime to try and pump refrigerant through a restricted system. This constant strain will eventually lead to premature compressor failure, which is a much more expensive repair. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, take your vehicle to a certified mechanic to have the system pressures tested. Don't let a bad expansion valve destroy your AC system. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive tips, and we'll see you in the next one.